Hey, what's up? So, you want to learn the front roll? You want to learn flips, right? But flips starts from the basic beginner move, and that is your front roll. Rolls has got variations in it. You need to learn how to do the front roll, the basic front roll. Let's start with the beginner friendly front roll. I want you to imagine a ball. Keep that ball over here. Press it with your chin, and now protect it with your shoulders and your back. If you keep a ball like this, you press it, you curve your back, eventually your back gets in a cave position. It's get a nicely round posture just by imagining that. This was the position you should always keep with you. Now it is not necessary to imagine a ball, you can imagine whatever you want. Just sitting in the lower squat position, you're keeping your hands like this, both hands down. Your legs are hip apart, not close, not far, hip apart. Your hands are the same like that. And now, first thing, you're getting your legs straight up. So eventually your hip gets up and all the weight comes on your hands. Okay? This. Now, once all the weight comes on your hand, you start bending your hands like this. Touch your head to the ground. Got that? Third thing, instead of touching the head, you have to imagine that ball, which I have told you earlier. You have to curve your back like this, and instead of getting on your head, you can get on your shoulder region, that is your traps region, this one. Don't stand on your head. If you stand on your head, you are going to fall like chune ki bori, dhapas. Sorry for that. If you stand on your head, you are going to fall directly on your spinal cord, and by crashing that, again and again damage, that spinal cord will break up like a chicken leg piece. Never do that. 3 moves at the same time. Straightening up, folding down, curving under. Rest your body in the position. So throw it like this if you are comfortable. If you are not comfortable, just rest it down. Just sleep over that. Sleep. Directly sleep over that. Like this. Sleep down. And you all do in a safe and secured place. Your life has got precious value. Okay? So like this. Legs up, hands down, head surpass down. You're on your traps. Now, you have to fold up your legs like this. Swing it. So, it is another thing. You can practice it like this. You have a ball under this. You're on your back. Fold it like this. Okay? Take a few jerks like this. From the back, you came, you folded this. Okay? You came, fold. By the force, you are going to get this like. Now combine all the things I have taught you till now and look at it. Like complete revision for you all is like this. Legs, your foot is hip apart, hands straight on down, legs getting up, hands folding down. Head is surpassing both the arms. At the same time, you're getting on your trap region like this. Did I do it wrong? Yes. My legs were straight. I would have been folding up like this, but I didn't. That's why I was in a sleeping position. But you want to stand up, okay? For that, you have to close your legs. 3, 2, 1, go. One last trial and then I'm going to end up the video. And yes, I'm going to say about my future plans, so we'll stick to it. Okay? Hands in front of me, foot, my hip apart, legs getting straight up, hands folding down, my head surpassing both arms, legs folding, I'm getting on this, stand up. Okay? Now why I'm not getting stand up? Because I am lacking on the force. If I take all this thing in a momentum, I'm going to stand up. Want to see that? Okay, let's see. A trial for you all guys. 3, 2, 1, go. Easy? Once more. So, this was all for today. My name is Ankur Ghosh and thank you all for viewing this video. And my upcoming program is about the roles. I want to teach various types of roles. That includes the side roll, the back roll, the dive roll, the taekwondo roll, and then I would be starting another basics like the macaco and all, because I want to make you all learn the flips. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe this, and these all things you know it very well. But yes, one more thing, if you are new to this channel, you are subscribing this, make a comment, type something that I subscribe in the comment section so that I can reply you personally. Got that? Better you do. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Bye. Bye. Bye.